Let's unlock your creative potential with powerful brainstorming techniques tailored for digital products. Imagine crafting the next groundbreaking app or website. Are you ready to transform ideas into reality? We'll explore methods to spark innovation, refine concepts, and build digital solutions that resonate with users. Each technique is designed to help you overcome creative blocks and generate a flood of fresh ideas. From mind mapping to reverse engineering, discover tools to revolutionize your product development process. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to digital product brainstorming success. Your journey starts now. Visualize your ideas with mind mapping. Connect related concepts to uncover hidden opportunities. Start by writing your main topic in the center of a page. What is the core problem you're solving? Draw branches for related ideas and subtopics. Expand each branch with specific product ideas. Tools like Miro and Canva can help you create stunning digital mind maps. Unleash your visual thinking. Imagine the possibilities as your ideas flow freely onto the canvas. What new connections can you make? Mind mapping, the key to unlocking innovative digital product concepts. Start mapping today. Reverse engineering, start at the end goal and work backward. What is the ultimate user benefit? Suppose you want to help people save time. What tools or guides can achieve this? Think about the steps a user would take to reach their desired outcome. Map out the journey. Identify potential roadblocks and create solutions to overcome them. Anticipate user needs. Reverse engineering helps you craft products that are both intuitive and effective. Are you ready? Unleash the power of reverse engineering to build digital products that truly deliver. Start in reverse. SWOT analysis. Analyze strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Know your landscape. List your strengths and skills. What unique advantages do you bring to the table? Identify gaps and challenges in your niche. Where are the unmet needs? Look at opportunities to fill those gaps. How can you create solutions that address user pain points? SWOT analysis helps you make informed decisions and mitigate potential risks. Are you ready to strategize? Master the art of SWOT analysis and build digital products that thrive. Analyze, strategize, succeed. Scamper method. Substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to other uses, eliminate, reverse. Innovate now. What can you substitute? Can you replace a material, process, or feature? Maybe merge two ideas? Can you combine features to create something entirely new? Can you tweak an idea to fit your niche? How can you adapt it to meet specific user needs? Use Scamper to improve and innovate your ideas. Transform concepts into groundbreaking products. Unleash the power of Scamper. Innovate, adapt, and revolutionize your digital product development. Go Scamper!